If you're an Amazon influencer or affiliate, you know the hardest part is finding products people are actually buying right now. Viral Vue is a powerful tool that helps you discover trending Amazon products, track their performance, and choose the best ones to review on your storefront or social media. Let me show you exactly how it works. Once you log into the Viral View web app, you'll see the dashboard packed with data. Viral View pulls real-time insights from Amazon and TikTok to show you which products are going viral and how well they're selling. Instead of guessing what to review, you get verified product performance data. Head over to Product Finder. This is where the magic happens. You can sort products by viral score, which rates them from 0 to 100, based on how hot they are right now. You can also filter by estimated sales, category, or competition level. That means you'll instantly which Amazon products are trending and worth reviewing. When you click on a product, Viral View shows you the estimated sales history, revenue potential, and whether it's featured in Amazon's product carousel. This lets you pick winners that have momentum, not dead stock. For affiliates and influencers, that's huge because trending products bring more clicks and higher commissions. Once you find product you want to review, just click track product to monitor it over time or add it to your favorites list. Viral View will keep updating the data so you know if a product is still hot before making content. So if you want to stop wasting time guessing and start reviewing products that are already trending on Amazon, Viral View is the tool you need. Click the link in the description below to try Viral View for yourself and start finding profitable products to review today.